flower wall is so... Hi everyone! So today I'm going to be showing you how I went ahead and made this beautiful flower wall. I got the pieces from Michael's. They were on sale this week for $10 a panel, and a panel is just 1 square foot. I have a total of 18 panels for this little wall, so I'm super excited. The process itself was really easy and simple. We just snapped all of the panels together and then nailed them into the wall, just a couple of nails, because we don't want to fill the whole entire wall up with holes. So if you're interested in seeing how I made this wall, go ahead and keep watching. All right, so I got a bunch of these flower wall panels. These normally are $20. This is by the Spring Print Tips collection. It's from Ashland, so normally $20. Today they were 10 bucks, so $10 for a square tile of flowers. And it's really cool on the back. It has this like little plastic grate, and they snap into one another, so it's really, really easy to go ahead and put onto your wall. Every single tile is going to come with 2 sides that have these little like circle snap enclosures, just like that. And then the opposite side is going to have these little, I don't know what they are, like little prongs, so they snap into one another. So I went ahead and I assembled one of my panels, and I just picked out like a bunch of different shades of pink. So I know this one's a little bit darker than the others. I was kind of going for like a pop of color. So I have a couple that are like this light blush pink. I have 2, I believe, yeah, they only had 2 of this like darker pink. And then I have a couple that, come on. And then I got a couple of this like peach color. So as you can see, it's pretty cute when you put it together. It's all like in this like floral pinkish blush family. I really like it. And I'm gonna go ahead and put it on this wall over here. All right, so I'm gonna get some help in hanging this because I'll probably end up hurting myself somehow. My boyfriend's looking at me like, oh yeah, we're going to the hospital tonight. Ugh. All right, so this is kind of the look that I'm going for. I'm gonna go ahead and show you the tools that you need. So for this one, you kind of just need the basics. We have a hammer, and then we went to the home improvement store and we got cupped head drywall nails, 1 5/8. So yay, nails. Large head. He wanted me to mention that they're large head. I don't think they really care about the nails. It just goes into the wall.
They need the large head nail because it has to hold on to the grate.
It has to hold on to the grate. Y'all hear that? Okay. Are you gonna help me do this or what?
Sure.
All right, let's go. All right, so I'm literally just gonna take these and we're gonna hammer some nails in the wall.
Move the curtain.
And we're gonna hang it. Ugh. There we go. And got started. What?
Look at it. It's going in an angle. You got a whole lot of wall not covered.
I'm just holding it for visual display. Okay. So anyways, what you should do first is measure the wall and see how, what?
Like you did that.
I didn't do that.
You did not.
Okay, so I didn't do it with some tape measure, but I went ahead and I took each panel and I put it against my wall.
No, she didn't.
So, yes, I did. So that way
Listen,
I did that so I could see how many I need. Stop that. And we figured out that we have to go to the store and buy more. So that's why I have to go to 2 different Michaels. All right.
get the rod out of your way.
It is out of my way.
And get out of my way.
All right, go. Take your shoes off. Don't go on my little vanity with your shoes on.
It's already down.
All right, so do you want to explain what you're doing?
No.
Why?
Because I'm not on the video. Hand me the thing.
You're going to be on the video.
I'm not going to be on the video. Hand me the hammer.
How, were they going to think I just magically did this by myself?
Yep, that's just what people do.
Okay. So what's step 1?
Give me your freaking panel.
Oh. Oh, here you go.
Is that the way you want it hung?
Yeah. Those are some long nails. I think you could have done the job with much shorter nails.
Do you want to have to worry about it falling?
No.
There you go.
All right. There you have it. like so far. And all I have to do now is just fill in these little holes right over here along the sides of the sign. And I could have taken the sign off, but I really like it. It's always been here. It's my favorite quote. And I just thought it was really pretty that the flowers are kind of like all around the sign. So in order to fill this little part in, I'm just going to be taking one of the panels and I'm going to snip it into little sections. And I already done a couple. So it's like little sections like this. And they just go right in. And I'll just go ahead and make sure to nail those so they're nice and secure. So I'm going to show you up close what I'm doing. Okay, so I need sections that are about, I want to say like 2.5, 3 inches in length. So I'm just going to snip right along the sides and just like that. Alright, so now that I have snipped my little piece, I'm just going to measure it out. Okay, so that will fit perfectly. And then we're just going to nail it in. Hi.
Hi. Go ahead, I'll nail them in.
Are you going to do it?
Yeah.
Are you coming?
You mean right now?
Yeah, right now.
You still have the other two to do. Just let me get up and nail all 4 of them in at once. Come on now.
Hey, okay, so my wall is up, wall of flowers, and the one thing I decided, I don't really like how these darker pieces look, this one and this one. So what I'm going to do is just take some of the flowers out and exchange them throughout the whole entire wall just to kind of even it out, so that way it doesn't look like it's clustered together. So I am just coming to the dark piece, pulling it out, and then finding a matching flower somewhere else in the wall. And then I'm just going to exchange them out.
I'm doing a video.
Alright, so I'm just going to do that all over the place so I can blend this out a little bit. Alright, so I went ahead and I blended my flowers. So if you remember, I had that pink panel right over here. I just blended it by exchanging out some of the flowers in the left-hand side of my little wall. So now I have just this one left. And as you can see, I think this looks a lot better when everything is blended. But anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and finish that last panel and then I will show you the final finished product. Okay, so I went ahead and I finished rearranging my flowers so everything kind of blends together a little bit nicer right now. So I'll just take you a little bit closer so you guys can see. So it is the next day. My camera died last night and I just wanted to show you guys what the wall looks like in the daylight. So I absolutely love the wall now that it's done and in. When I woke up this morning and I walked into the living room, I was just like, oh, wow, that's so pretty. I really think that it adds like a nice little pop of color and it's just so like cute and girly. This whole entire little corner that I have going on, I just wanted it to be like super extra girly. I have a lot of signs here. I have my current pageant title and my little crown. And then just like this really cute like pink crown light that I got at Hobby Lobby. And just a bunch of like really cute little girly things. So I think that it's a perfect little accent piece to have the flowers. So the nice thing about these tiles is that they do snap together, as you guys saw in the video, which makes assembling and putting everything up a lot easier rather than just like trying to individually put up every single panel on its own. So that's a big help. It was a little bit harder for me because I did want to leave the little quote that I have up here. If I had decided to remove it, I'm sure it would have been a lot easier just to make like one giant flesh, you know, panel. I could have just put it all together and then just tacked it up, but I really did want to leave the sign. I thought it was like a nice little focus piece, and this honestly is my favorite quote. She believed she could, so she did, so I left that up. But yeah, I think it's a really fun project. It's really easy. It took us, I want to say maybe like an hour to get everything set up, and most of the time was just trying to like figure out like what, you know, what panel goes where and like how I want to arrange the flowers. But so yeah, thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Please make sure to subscribe to my channel. I put up new videos every single week. Bye.